Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring this beautiful paper called Toadstool Gardens. It is a celebration item. You can earn it with $75 of a spend in the online store, and you can pick this one for free. Look at how cheerful and delightful that is. So this is not a fold flat box. This box will stay open. This could be used for a plethora of ideas. Valentine's Day is coming up. Maybe you can put a whole bunch of treats in here, big enough to fit like 3 cookies. Lots of craft supplies, lots of little dinky things can go in this large size box. So if you're interested in making this box with me, then come along and we'll get started. All right, we're going to start off with 2 pieces of paper, cardstock I should say. This is 6 3/4 by 6 3/4, and this is 6 3/4 by 9. We are going to start with this one first. We're going to score at 2 and 5, and then just turn around and do 3/4 of an inch and 3 3/4. All right, moving on to the long side. We're going to score at 3/4, 3 3/4, 6 3/4. Going to turn it around, 3/4, and 3 3/4. Here we have the papers. I'm going to fold and burnish all the score lines. All right, we will start with this one. We are going to trim off that little score line and cut up here. Trim off that little score line and cut up here. Then we're going to cut up on these score lines just to the first cross score line there. All right, so we're going to take off this little score line and cut up here. Trim off that little score line and cut the square and the rectangle. And now we're going to cut up these guys. And cut up this. I'm going to remove this section here. And then I'm going to cut this one down. So I'm just going to put the other one on top of it, and so that I can just get the measurements absolutely correct. And while they're both in my hands, I'm just going to trim a little bit off, wedging out a little bit. A little bit of a time save there. All right, so this box goes together like this. So I'm going to get some dry adhesive. I like to get close to the score line, and then on the free edge, there we go. And then I am going to put a little bit, oh, before I get started here, I'm going to trim off, there we go, a little bit on that lid. Okay, so now we need designer series paper, 5 pieces, size 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and they are going to fit right inside. And this paper is from Toadstool Gardens. It is a celebration item that you can earn for free, which is the greatest thing about celebration. With every $75 you spend, you get 1 free item. And this is a pad of paper that you can get, has toadstools and stuff on it. It's fun. But I really like the brightly colored papers here. Melon Mambo I haven't seen used in a while. That is the cardstock that I'm using today. All right, so I'm just going to apply my adhesive close to the score line and then on the free edge. And really, you fold this in half and you fold this in half and it should fold perfectly. So let's square everything up. This is a really simple build, you guys. So 2 pieces go in and then we're just going to cover it like that. So I'm going to put an adhesive square here and an adhesive square on this side. All right, so now that we know it's all square, oops, there we go. Then I like to take the top, press down, and then I will run my fingers over anything. There's a little bit of, I didn't cut that properly, so I'm going to just remove it for the fact. All right, in the new catalog, this punch that's shaped like that works with, you can bundle it with one. I think it's bundled with this one, but another one works with it. So I've been using this one quite a bit. So I think I'm going to use this one instead. Sending you a big hug would be nice. All right, let's do that. Okay, I think I am going to use pumpkin pie for the outline. Cute. And then Melon Mambo for the sentiment. Oh, that turned out perfect, actually. These have nice little V's. Okay. Perfecto. Ooh, new package of Stampin' Dimensionals. How lovely. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Check it out. Okay, kids, so you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching and bye for now.